everybody, it's Brian Martin, the Bossman up here at 4 State Trucks. Check it out, 18-inch boxed-in bumper from Roadworks, made in USA, 100% polished stainless steel. So this thing's never going to rust, never going to peel, and it's $539. For an 18-inch boxed-in bumper, that's chrome-plated steel price. So if you're thinking about a bumper for your Pete, Kenworth, or other make and model, give us a call, jump online, or come and see us here in Joplin.
Hi guys, welcome back to 4 State Trucks. My name's Cotton and I want to introduce you to a new headache rack we just got in. It's made by Sturdy Light. It's going to have your tarp hangers, your chain hangers. It's also going to have a loading bin you can keep down there for a center tray. And on the back side, we've got the lumber rack so you can store your lumber. All this for a great price of $1299.99. Come get it. We got them in stock today. Come see us here at 4 State Trucks. Thanks again.
Hey guys, it's Josh here at 4 State Trucks on the Chrome Shop Mafia again. I want to talk to you about another Rockwood product. This is a Rockwood floor for Peterbilt. This one was a custom one-off made that a customer did not take, so this is one actually for sale. So it's got the kind of a blue flame-ish drip style design on top of this gray marbleized color right here. So if this is the color for your truck, it's here for sale. It's $299 off. Come see a salesman about it. We'll get it to you.
Hey guys, this is Colin over at 4 State Trucks, home of the Chrome Shop Mafia. Today I'm going to be talking about some LED replacements for your sleeper lights for the KWs and Pete's. So this is the factory fluorescent replacement that you get inside your truck, and you know those work just fine, but there's a new upgrade that you can do. These are LEDs. All you have to do is remove your old ballasts, hardwire these in, and they're a direct replacement into the same holes. And these will give you a significantly longer life since they're LED, and also a brighter, more consistent light. And these are $50 for the pair, so come on down, check them out, and light your sleeper up.